Hello traders, welcome back to your channel Trade and Grow. From today onwards, I will try my level best to make videos on daily analysis. Basically, I want to train all of you with what's intraday 5-minute techniques. That is why I decided to give you more light on this concept so that you can understand the total cycles and total concept so that you can implement it in your daily analysis in your trading also. So let us start. I'll give you the small intro, complete explanation. Please watch my videos, those who are joining it first time. The playlist is already made in the channel. You can go and search any playlist and then you will find these videos. Okay, and now see, this is the what's intraday 5 minutes technique is all about cycles. You have to understand the cycles and testing, how the cycle and testing works. So if you see, this is the main cycle 1 2 3 which I told you 6 months back. Those who follow me since starting, they know. First I told you regarding 1 2 3 cycles. Then in last 1 month I started the sub test. So first cycle is the main cycle, that is represented by 1 2 3 number. Then second is sub test, that is represented by subtest 1, subtest 2, subtest 3, and third is major subtest. And major subtest is divided by is denoted by M subtest 1, M subtest 2, M subtest 3. Since price moves from downside to upside, that is how the price moves in the long term. That is why the long term cycle will cover 3 testing, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 testing will be covered in long term trend. Okay, and if you see the counter trend, this long term trend is followed by this counter trend. In counter trend you will get 1 2 testing. In some cases 80 to 90% cases you will get 1 2 testing, but in some cases you can also get third testing. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. The test and major subtest, this is the one complete cycle. In one complete cycle of the long side, this is the long side, the one complete cycle of the long side, you will get the counter trend cycle, that is of 1 2, mainly 1 2, 10% cases 1 2 3 testing, third testing in 10% cases. Okay, so this is all about the cycle. This is all about the simple intro of my what's intraday 5-minute techniques. Let us talk about on chart. Okay, let us see what happens on the chart also. See here, this is the trading of today. This is the support point. Why this is the support point? Because the cycle which I am talking about is this. You see here, this is the cycle of downside. The downside cycle starts from this point to this point. Okay, since we are in the downside cycle, it means this cycle is the counter trend of this long cycle. It means we are in counter trend of long cycle. It means when we are in the counter trend, we will get this formation, first testing, and this is second testing. It means when this cycle will complete, then this downfall will complete. Okay, so if you see here, I will look only for counter trend cycle in this formation. When this formation will complete, your cycle of counter side will complete. Then the bigger cycle, that is the main cycle, will resume. Yeah, it means it is the upside cycle will resume. Okay, now see here, this is, if you see this point, this is the point, this is the resistance point from where this down cycle starts. And this cycle, since this is the counter trend cycle, so it will make two testings. This is the first testing and this is the second testing point. If you see here, you will not get extension in the first testing. That is why I put this mark 1, the main mark, at this point. If you see here, this is the second point. In second point, you are getting the extension of price towards the downside. That is why the introduction of subtest will occur. Here, this point is called the subtest 1 and this point is called the subtest 2. If you see, this is subtest 1. Okay, if you see here, this point, from this point, this is basically a range. That is why I put subtest 2 at this point, because this range on upper side completes at this point. So this is the subtest 2. This is subtest 1 and it becomes the subtest 2. And this point is the main point which we have to see whether this cycle completes at this point or this cycle is going into extension. If this cycle is going into extension, it means the price will definitely come to this point again or may cross it towards the downside. Okay, if this cycle completes at this point, then you will find a new cycle towards the upside. It means if it is a reversal, then this point, this yellow point will become the trend changing point. This yellow point will become the trend changing point. Okay, this one. Now if you see here, this is, I marked it, this is subtest 1, this is subtest 2, and I am assuming this move as a counter trend move. Okay, as a counter trend move of this cycle, this downward cycle. We are in subtest 2 phase. In subtest 2 phase, we have already marked major subtest 1, major subtest 2. This point may be major subtest 3. It may change because I'm expecting this point. I'm expecting the price has completed this down cycle at this point. So this would be a this might be a trend change point, and the numbering will also be changed. But I mark this number as a counter trend number, as a counter trend numbering. If the price takes out this level, if the price takes out this level and doesn't come back, then a subtest 3 point will be at this level. If price takes out like this and test it and then resume upside, then this will be the change of this cycle. This point will be the change of this cycle. Okay, so till the price doesn't come and make this sort of formation, you cannot say whether this point is the trend changing point or the reversal point. Okay, it might possible that price come here and move down. So I mark this as the marking of counter trend. If it happens, then this marking will change. Remember it. Okay, this is how the price is moving. See, I show you this example. Since this is the support point and trend is in down direction, that is why this move should be counter trend move. And if this move is counter trend, then price should make only two testing, first testing and second testing. After second testing, you see this is the first subtest 1 because price is going into the extension, and this is the subtest 2, this is subtest 3, and cycle completes here. That is why I put subtest 2 at this point. I did not put subtest 2 at this point because this is in range. This whole movement is in range. That is why I did not put subtest 2 at this point. I put it at this point. Similarly, if this is also a counter trend cycle, then this would be the subtest 1 and this would be the subtest 2. Now price is in extension, so this would be the subtest 1, and it might happen that this would become subtest 2 and price would move to this side and then came down. If it is counter trend move. If it is not counter trend move, if it's trend reversal, then the marking will change, and this marking will this will become the first test of this trend move rather than the second test. Okay, so I will discuss this case when the tomorrow's trading will finish. Then we will know what is going to happen next. But right now, this is the marking which you should follow, because see, if the marking gets changed, it hardly matters us. Why it hardly matters us? See, because I have already developed a system in which the chances of error are very less. There might be chances of error, but because this stock market movements depends upon the probability. It is a game of the probability, so there are chances of error. But in my system, in what's 5-minute intraday 5-minute techniques, you will get very less chances. I show you how you will get your chances. See, this is the marking of counter trend. Okay, this counter trend. That is why I marked it as the main first marking here and second marking here. Let us suppose this is the trend reversal marking. In trend reversal marking, what will happen? This total marking. See, this total marking, because this is what this is. This is okay. This is range bound movement. So it will become the test. Subtest 1. It will become subtest 1, subtest 2. Okay, and you already know whenever in the what's intraday 5-minute techniques, when you get the subtest 2 point or the main point testing 2, you will find your setup in that direction. That is the main guideline. I have been already sharing it you with the last 6 months. You already, those who follow me from that time, they already know this guideline. So if it is first point, then you will not find your setup. And if it is the trend reversal formation, it will become the subtest one. It means same, you will not find your setup. And similarly here, this is second test 2. It means if it is the counter trend move, you will find your 8. Or if it is the trend reversal move, then this point will become subtest 2. All these points will get deleted. So this will become subtest 2. So similarly, if it is that point, you will also find buying setup. So what I proved here is marking does not affect your trading style, your trading direction. Direction is confirmed because already testings are there. The direction is confirmed. What will change? What will change if this cycle gets complete? Have to know what is going in next phase. Okay, basically there are only two phases. Either the move is reversal or the move is counter trend move. In both cases the marking will work. You will not get confused. You will get your trade because of the guideline which I made and I am proving you. But the main direction, if you will not mark subtest 1, subtest 2 and you mark only 1, 2, then you will get confused after certain point, because at that point you need the correct phase in which you are dealing with. So market, subtesting and cycle is important because counter trend cycle will finish only in two main points, two main testing. But this long cycle will take 3 testings and with their extensions also. The extensions can also come in counter trend also, like this. After second point, it might be subtest 1, okay, it might be subtest 2, then price goes up, subtest 3, okay, it may possible in counter trend also. But at that time you would know that this is the marking of counter trend. After counter trend, the downtrend will start because this time the trend is of downside. So this is quite simple, but it needs practice to understand it. You will have to sync your mind with these techniques, then it will be simple. Otherwise in starting you will find it bit difficult, but not difficult as Gann theory and Elliott wave, because I have been through in these also. That is why I made the combination of these two theories in what's 5-minute intraday techniques. Okay, so let us discuss about today's trading. See here, this is the entry point. This is the first trade. This is the second trade I marked. This is second point. If it is second point of this counter trend cycle, then you should get set up around this area. But if you see carefully, you did not get any setup towards the downside move. On the other hand, the point second completes at this stage, you got the opportunity to move, to go upside, because the price has already made that scenario. That is, you see, this is the bullish engulfing pattern, and this bullish engulfing pattern is tested by these two candles. After that, you can see here, this is a doji formation, okay, and this is the Harami pattern, bullish Harami pattern. And these patterns, these three patterns are made, or three patterns are made without breaking any of the patterns. See, this pattern did not break this, and this pattern did not break this. So it is the clear indication. This is the first reason that this is bullish engulfing pattern is the first reason. Second reason is this pattern. Third reason is bullish harami pattern, and fourth reason is this pattern did not invalidate these patterns. When you got these four reasons, I every time tell you, you need if you go for the entry, at least you need 2 to 3 reasons. Here you got 4 reasons. That is why when the this candle starts with the momentum, then you need not to wait to break this point. When the candle starts with the momentum, you just entry at this point. Since the price reached here and you see the rejection, people are booking their profit at this point. It means it is a clear indication when you entered here, this is the point where you have to book your profit. In same candle you have to book your profit. Don't wait for these candles, because this is clear indication that rejection has already come. You need to book your profit. It is quite good move. So better not to wait for further candles. This is the clear signal that reaction has come and you have to book your profit. You should also be the part of those who are booking their profit. Okay, so this is the reason of your first entry, and you see the second entry. Let us discuss the reason of second entry also. Here you see the price has made a zone. The price has made a zone. Okay, in this consolidation zone, this is the buying pressure. This buying pressure is not negated by any of the candles to the downside. See, because this buying pressure candle is not breached, that is why the buying pressure is not negated by any of the candles towards the downside. And again, the buying pressure in this candle, when you saw the buying pressure is getting continued, it means you will have to take your entry, and this is your entry point and this is your exit point. Why this is your exit point? Because this is the first signal of weakness. This is the dodgy candle, indecision candle. People are not understanding what they have to do. It means they are not sure whether this move will continue upside or downside. So, and the confirmation came from this inverted hammer candle. This inverted hammer candle clearly showed that the trend is going to change. Whether the trend is going to change in this consolidation or downside. Okay, so this is your second entry, and reason of the second entry is already gave you 2-3 reasons for this entry, and again 2 reasons for the exit. I every time tell you, according to the watch intraday 5-minute technique, you have 2 to 3 reasons for the entry, and similarly 2 to 3 reasons for the exit also. Then you book your profit. Okay, so I think this is quite clear how to trade today's trading session with this marking, and I have already discussed the scenario of tomorrow's marking also. If it is the trend reversal, then this marking will change. If it is the counter trend move, then this marking will continue further down by making this micro subtest 3, major subtest 3. Okay, before concluding, I will take 5 minutes more to show you how the information I give on the Telegram channel is useful for you. See here, this is my Telegram channel, and I show you this is June 14th, today's trading day. I gave this message at 9:19. This message, what I wrote in this message: though the price breached Friday low, but if it recovers in the 15 minutes, then chance to go down will be very low. Okay, I manifested the move, and then I shared it with you that what is the condition, because see, I do not believe in giving tips to anybody. That is why I believe to make you self-reliant rather than dependent on me. So I try to give only hints, and that hints are very valuable if you convert these hints on the analysis chart, it will become a boom to you, because I have already given you the manifestation, what I manifested in morning before any move. I manifested it at 9:19. At that time, you did not see that move. The move which I wrote here came later on. I show you on the chart also. See, this is your chart at 9:19. It means this is the candle at 9:19. I gave you that since price open gap down, okay, if it breaches the Friday low and comes back in the 15 minutes, then this will be your last point of today's trading towards downside. That I gave you the same information at 9:90, and I show you the Friday low also. You see, this is your Friday low, and I talked about this low. If this low is breached and price recovers in 15 minutes, you see the price recovers in 30 minutes. Instead of 15 minutes, the price recovered same in 30 minutes. That's little manipulation always comes, because nobody can be so accurate. But analysis is quite accurate. You see, price recovered in 30 minutes. This is you see, after making this low, price breached it. After making this, price recovered in this move is of 30 minutes. Okay, so when you got this information, that price when you saw this information, price recovered in 30 minutes, I gave you next message also. What I manifested this move at 9:19. How can you say when this sort of momentum is going down, price will recover? Nobody can think that price is going to recover until unless that sort of depth. Okay, that is why I was very much confident, and on the public platform I wrote price will move like this, and the same happened. And I did not stop here also. I show you the next message also, where you will see I think at 10:04. Yeah, this is the message at 10:04. What I wrote in this message, see here price will make small range that will decide further action of the pullback or trend reversal. Okay, what I wrote in this line, that price is going to make a small range, that I show you. Let us discuss it. I show you on the chart also. See at this point I gave at 10:04. Okay, this is the candle of 10:04. Okay, 10:04, when the price made this high, I gave you the information that price is going to be range bound. Now you see here, this is the candle of 1:13 and 10, 11, 12, 1, 3 hours. It means almost 3 hours price was in this small range. Can you imagine? 3 hours, before 3 hours I gave you the information that price is going to be range bound, or I specifically mentioned the small range, and you see, not in a small range. Yes, price is in the small range. See yourself. There is nothing fabricated. Everything is on the platform. Everything is written here. And more than 1,000 members are authenticating my statements. So this is what I informed. If you have that sort of information, it means you know the price is going to be range bound, so you will not take any decision to trade till price comes out from the range. It means I saved you for 3 hours to get into the trade, to take to get confusion and to take wrong side decision. I saved you by only this information. Okay, now I did not even stop here. I show you next what I informed later on at 12:31. This is a message that I gave at 12:31. My bias is of upside. Still some psychological points present which will force the move to test today's low. Any momentum on upside will seen when resistance point will be taken out. It means I clearly mentioned you that my bias is of upside. It means I am looking the price to go upside. But for with one condition, that resistance point should be taken out. Then what were resistance point? I show you how clearly I mentioned at 1231, and you see here, this is the move came at 113. 1231, it means 1231 means around this level. I gave you the information that if the price breaks out the resistance point, then you will see the move towards the upside. What were these resistance points? This is the resistance point. I was talking about these resistance points. When these will be broken, then you will see the price moving to upside. And when did I inform you? I informed you at 12:31, and after that you see that move. It means whatever I manifested, I proved it. Everything happened after that. So my messages are very, very helpful if you are able to decode them, because I do not provide direct hints. That was what I gave you today. With this, I end this video because it is going to be lengthy, and I don't want to make it lengthy video as it is a daily video. I want to finish it in just 15 to 20 minutes. See you tomorrow. Till then, study hard.